Student, just now we learned about the Mendeleev's periodic table. Now let us see what are the advantages or achievements of Mendeleev's periodic table. You know, Mendeleev was the first scientist or a chemist who arranged a large number of elements, that is 63 elements, in a very systematic manner. He made groups and periods, and he arranged these elements according to the increasing order of their atomic masses. And similarly, he grouped the elements which have similar chemical properties. So that's why the Mendeleev's periodic table was a very correct approach in the classification of elements, right? Because of this Mendeleev's periodic table, the study of these elements was become very systematic and correct. Because of this, if the property of one elements are known, then the property of other elements can be predicted also. So this helped in the systematic study of the elements. The second advantage of Mendeleev periodic table is the correction of some doubtful atomic masses. Some elements atomic masses were not correct. They were doubtful. So that they were corrected by the Mendeleev. How? Mendeleev helped in correcting the doubtful atomic masses of some elements. For example, beryllium. This element's atomic mass was calculated as 13.5, but its valency 3 was wrongly calculated, and that's why beryllium's atomic mass was 13.5. So according to this mass, beryllium should be placed between carbon having atomic mass 12 and nitrogen having atomic mass 14. So beryllium should be placed between these two elements. But there was no vacant place available between these two elements. There was no vacant place over here. Similarly, properties of beryllium were not matching with that of carbon and nitrogen. But their properties of beryllium were quite similar to magnesium and calcium of group 2A. So that's why position of beryllium was not certain. Then after that, beryllium was assigned valency 2, and accordingly atomic mass of beryllium was calculated as 9. And because of this, then the position of beryllium was changed. Beryllium was placed between lithium having atomic mass 7 and boron having atomic mass 11. So beryllium's place was changed according to its atomic mass. Next advantage of Mendeleev's periodic table is he predicted some new elements and their properties. Mendeleev, while making the periodic table, left some blank spaces or gaps in the periodic table for some unknown elements. That means he predicted that there must be some elements, and he assigned them some place in the periodic table, and he predicted that these elements would be discovered in future and would be placed in these gaps. And then he predicted the properties of these elements also by knowing the properties of other elements in the same group. Okay, so these elements were not known at that time, so he predicted and gave some empty spaces for these elements. He used the word eka. Ek means in Sanskrit first. Okay, so he used this word ek to give name to these new elements. He gave name eka boron. That means first element after boron, right? Then he gave second name ek aluminium. That is the first element after aluminium. And then ek silicon. That is first element after silicon. So in this periodic table, you can see here that this is boron, this is the place of aluminium. So he left some empty space for some element over here. He thought that there must be some element over here, and to this element he gave ek boron name. Similarly, over here also he left some empty space and gave name ek aluminium over here. And then another place was left empty here. Its name was eka silicon. That is the first element after silicon. Later on, these elements were discovered after many years, And these new elements were given different names: scandium, gallium, germanium. And this scandium element was exactly the element Aka boron, having same chemical properties as predicted by Mendeleev. Similarly, for Aka aluminum, the empty space was filled by the new element gallium, and Aka silicon was filled with the new element germanium. So these three were the new elements which were discovered later, but they had the properties which were predicted by Mendeleev. So in this way, this prediction proves the correctness and the usefulness of the Mendeleev's periodic table. That means Mendeleev's predictions were so accurate that he can predict the elements well in advance, and in future the same elements were discovered having the similar chemical properties. So in this way, this is the usefulness of Mendeleev's periodic table.